Stop uploading your data to random servers or signing up just to make a quick QR code. Meet this 100% free, privacy-first, online QR code generator. Everything runs entirely in your local browser, meaning your passwords and links never leave your device. Plus, it gives you full real-time previews. Let's make a pro one in 30 seconds. First, choose your type like a website URL or Wi-Fi network and type it in. Then, pick your canvas size and set the error correction to H for high reliability. Now, let's style it. Pick a custom dot shape like liquid, customize the inner and outer corner eyes, and turn on a beautiful gradient foreground color to match your branding. Want a logo? Just drop any PNG, JPG, or CVG right here. Scale it up, check auto clear dots, and it seamlessly embeds without breaking the scan. Click download PNG or copy to clipboard and you're good to go. No watermarks, no limits. Check out the link in the description to try it right now.